we are here at IOA answering low-key another long-aged kind of question, but which one is better, Hagrids or Hiccups wing gliders? We're gonna find out today. We're in Hagrids line right now, and then we're going to Epic later. Oh! We got a duel! Alright, that was kind of crazy. I don't know if Hiccups could beat a duel. However, Hiccups does duel, but not like that. It's about that time. We're off to Epic. See you there. And boom, we're here in Isle of Berk. That quick. Time to go ride Hiccups wing gliders.
Inside field of Berk. No dragons required.
Alright, for a better feel, round 2. I'm praying. It's raining right now. It's pouring. Yo, we're about to ride our own makeshift water ride right now, bro. Bro, I'm already soaked. And we met up with Jay, bro. Yo! Rip everything!
It's freaking dry as
Get us under the building!
Where's the roof?
These wings will give you a
Oh, we're covered. We're chilling. We're chilling. This is not real. We just stopped. Yo. Evac in the rain would go crazy.
Evac is crazy.
Bro, getting stuck on Hiccups in the rain was not on my bingo card. Let's go! Evac credit! Well, hashtag still stuck. Well, that was definitely an experience. What the heck was that? I'm soaked now. And they didn't offer me a towel. They offered me a fast pass.
So give you a dragon No dragons required.
I got scared. Alright, it's been long enough. After the rain evac and our 2 rides, I think Hiccups the king. I think Hiccups is better than Hagrids.
Yeah.